Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 11th standard mathematics, chapter number 6, continuation of exercise 6.2, no problem number 6. An object was launched from a place P in constant speed to hit a target. At the 15th second, it was 1400 meter away from the target. And at the 18th second, 800 meter away from the target. Find the distance between the place and the target. Find the distance covered by it in 15 seconds. And find the time taken to hit the target. Totally 3 subdivisions. So look at the diagram. This is the initial position of the point P. Okay. After 15 seconds, the distance between the point P and the target, that is equal to 1400 meter. From here to here, 1400 meters after 15 seconds. Next, after 18th second, the distance between the point P and the target, that is from here to here, that is 800 meters. It has been reduced, the 800 meters. Okay. Find the distance between place and the target. The place and the target. Okay. You are asked to find out the distance between place, the starting place and the target. I consider t as a time. Here d, capital D refers the distance between point and the target. So here I consider 2 points. They are for 15 second distance 1400. So 15 comma 1400. In 18th second the distance between these two 800. So 18 comma 800. So consider 15 comma 1400 and 18 comma 800. $15, 1400 and 18, 800. Here 15th second, this one is T1, D1, T2, D2. Okay. Now, you know that equation, required equation of a straight line joining 2 points. Alright, the equation here, t minus t1 divided by t2 minus t1, that is equal to d minus d1 divided by d2 minus t1. I have to substitute. T minus t1, that is equal to 15 divided by t2 minus t1, 18 minus 15. D minus D1, that is equal to 1400 divided by D2 minus D1, that is 800 minus 1400. T minus 15, write as it is, 18 minus 15, that is equal to 3. D minus 1400, write as it is, 800 minus 1400, that is equal to minus 600. Okay. Now, we can simplify by 3 table. How many times? 200 times. That is minus 200. Okay. Now, t minus 15, that is equal to d minus 1400 divided by minus 200. I write t in the left hand side. D minus 1400 divided by minus 200. It comes right hand side plus 15. So t, that is equal to d minus 1400 plus into minus, I have to multiply these two. 200 into 15, that is equal to 3000 whole divided by minus 200. Minus 200 is the LCM, which implies t, that is equal to d minus 1400 minus 3000, that is equal to minus 4400 divided by minus 200. Okay. T, that is equal to, we can multiply the numerator and denominator by minus, or else minus 1 by 200 into d minus 4400. What I have written? 1 divided by minus 200, you can write minus 1 by 200 into d minus 4400. Therefore, t that is equal to, which implies t that is equal to 1 by 200 into, I am retaining 1 by 200 here. You just multiply by minus, first multiply these two, you will be getting positive value, minus into minus, plus 4400 minus d. 4400 minus d. That is the relation between t and d, time and distance. Okay. Now first subdivision, what is the distance between initial point and the target? From here to here, we have to find out the distance. In this point, you know that the time will be 0. The starting time always 0 only. If it is 0 only, you can find out the distance between these two. Okay. So, when t equals 0, and let it be equation number 1, when capital T equals 0, substitute T equals 0 here, 1 implies 0 that is equal to 1 by 200 into 4400 minus d. You cross multiply 200 into 0, that is equal to 0, that is equal to 4400 minus d, which implies minus d comes left hand side plus d, that is equal to 4400. So, the distance between the starting point and the target, that is equal to 4400 meters. Therefore, write the result. The distance between the starting point and the target equals 4400 meters. Now subdivision number 2. Find the distance covered by in 15 seconds. Okay. When t that is equal to 15, we have to find out d. When t that is equal to 15, equation number 1 implies, substitute t that is equal to 15 in equation number 1. 15 equals 1 by 200 into 4400 minus d. Just replace the t by 15. Now I have to cross multiply 15 into 200, that is equal to 1 into 4400 minus d is 4400 minus d. Multiply these two, you will be getting 3000. That is equal to 4400 minus d, which implies minus d comes left hand side plus d, that is equal to 4400. It comes right hand side minus 3000. Therefore, d that is equal to 1400 meters. This 1400 means, look at the diagram. Already you are given that the distance between the point P and the target is 1400 after 15th second, from here to here. But the question is, how much distance covered from the initial point? You are asked to find out this only. So that the required distance equals total distance minus 1400. You know the total distance. The total distance is 4400. Here it is. So 4400 minus 1400, that is equal to 3000 meters. So the distance covered in 15 seconds. Right here. Therefore, the distance covered in 15 seconds from the starting point that is equal to total distance, that is 4400 meters, minus 1400 meters. Okay, that is equal to 3000 meters been covered from the starting point in 15 seconds. Okay, subdivision 2 is over. Now subdivision number 3. Find the time taken to hit the target. When the target, see, when the object is moving from here to there, when the object is hitting the target, the distance between the object and the target will be obviously 0. Okay, from here to here 4400. After 15 seconds, just 1400. After 18 seconds, 800. It is keep on reducing. When the object hits the target, the distance between the object and the target will be 0. When the object is hitting the target, d equals 0, distance equals 0. Therefore, equation number 1 implies t, that is equal to, I have to replace the d by 0. Therefore, t equals 1 by 200 into 4400 minus 0. Therefore, t equals 1 by 200 into 4400. That is 0000 cancel, 2 table how many times? 22 times. Therefore, t equals 22 seconds. So, after 22 seconds, the object is hitting the target. Okay. So, you write the result, the time taken for the object to hit the target that is equal to 22 seconds. So problem number 6 is completed. Then I will be teaching problem number 7 in the next video. Thank you, children.